How to report a lost item in Bolt Ride. Left something in your Bolt Ride? Don't panic. Here's how to report it fast and get it back. First, open your Bolt app and go to your ride history. Find the ride where you lost your item and tap on it. Scroll down and choose Report an issue or lost item. You'll see an option to contact your driver. Enter what you lost and your contact details. If the driver does not respond within 24 hours, you can reach Bolt support through the help section and they'll assist directly. Always double check the back seat before ending your ride. Saves you the hassle later. What's the strangest thing you have ever forgotten in a cab? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can report a lost item in Bolt Ride. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.